Who else is like that? Oh. Okay, enough Britney Spears. I've got a better one. Bad or Thriller?
Thriller.
Oh, Thriller.
I don't know Thriller though, so I'm probably not really good at.
Oh, I gotta watch the stupid Jay-Z movie again.
Riverdance. Good. Wait. Yes, that's it. Get the arms right. Well, here, and I'll get my fingers going.
There we go. All right, here we go.
The tears really make the video.
Which one are we putting on? Oh, okay.
But it's a movie, isn't it? It's like 13 minutes long.
I don't know how to do Thriller because everyone expects you to do all that sort of thing.
You need to do Riverdance. This movie was made for Riverdance. Michael Plackett.
Side moonwalk.
Oh, he's river dancing again.
Oops.